Today, I'm going to show you how you can do read aloud. When we start with read aloud, the first and foremost thing that we have to take care is fluency, not the way you are pronouncing or how do you sound, nothing else. When we start speaking, we have to continuously speak. So here we are selecting a random one, not only one, we will try to do two. The first one is mass strandings. So coming to this is the first module in PTE Academic and we will have 35 seconds to practice. So when we have this 35 seconds, we just have to look at these text and prepare. Before starting answering, I would recommend you to take a deep breath because when this timer ends, then we have to start answering. Okay, so let me take a deep breath. Mass strandings of whales are a recurring issue in Australia and New Zealand. In recent years, multiple events have highlighted the severity of this problem. For instance, in April 2024, around 160 pilot whales stranded on a Western Australian beach, prompting a significant rescue operation by marine biologists and wildlife officers. Mass When you finish, then make sure that you click on stop recording. Otherwise, there will be silence. Anyway, let us check this. So this one I just tried without any kind of practice, and like we just want to know how we will get mass strandings of weight. This is the simple way to get 60. Since this course is for the basic learners, I will try to suggest you more things, that is stress. Whenever you are in some kind of rooms with echo, then there will be a difference. Anyway, here the content is 70 and fluency is 63, then pronunciation is 52. Let us redo this in a different way. Since we already did this, we will skip the preparation time. Okay. Mass strandings of whales are a recurring issue in Australia and New Zealand. In recent years, multiple events have highlighted the severity of this problem. For instance, in April 2024, around 160 pilot whales stranded on a Western Australian beach, prompting a significant rescue operation by marine biologists and wildlife officers. Mass strandings of Let's submit this one. In this one, I just did it in a different way. In the last one, the previous one, we just did in a very slow manner. Let us see what happens in this one. I just want to show you mass strandings of different ways how to improve your score. Okay, now here stress is not there, but speed is 105, fluency is okay, then pronunciation accuracy is also okay. So let's retry this in a different manner. So this is how you have to practice. So trust me, if you practice like this, then you can get your desired score.